Hi everyone, in this video I am going to teach you how to solve for theoretical power and actual power generated by a turbine. So here is a sample problem. Calculate the theoretical and the actual power generated on a 3-blade rotor microturbine with blade length of 3 meters at the airspeed of 10 meters per second. So in this problem, our turbine is given specifically, which is the 3-blade rotor microturbine. And you have to remember that every turbine has its own power coefficient. So we will see if what is the power coefficient of a 3-blade rotor microturbine as we go on. So first that we need to do is to find the given. Yes, determine our given, and our first is our power coefficient. So our power coefficient for the 3-blade rotor microturbine is 0.49, and our wind speed is 10 meters per second, and our blade length, which is our radius, is 3 meters. So what we are looking for here is theoretical power denoted by PT and actual power denoted by PA. So first that we are going to solve here is our theoretical power. In solving theoretical power, we always assume that our power coefficient is 1 or 100%. So we just use the formula. Wind power is equal to 1/2 times the density of air times the area and the cube of the velocity. And we know that the density of air is equal to 1.225 kilogram per cubic meter. And the area for a circle is pi r squared. So since we already have the given values for this, we just use direct substitution. And giving us power is equal now to 1/2 times the density of air, which is 1.225 kilogram per cubic meter, times the area of a circle, which is pi times its radius of 3 meter times square, times the cube of the speed or the velocity, which is 10 meters per second. So just solve it, giving us 1/2 times 1.225 kilogram per cubic meter times the area of a circle, which is now 28.27 square meter, times the cube of the speed, which is now 1000 cubic meter per cubic second, giving us an answer of 17,315.375 kilogram by square meter per cubic second. And we can simplify our unit into watts by extracting meters per second. So giving us kilogram by meter per square second times meters per second. And we know that kilogram by meter per square second is equal to Newton. So Newton by meters per second is equal to watts, giving us 17,315.375 watts or 17.32 kilowatts. We just divide it by 1,000, because if you're going to convert watts into kilowatts, just use the conversion. 1,000 watts is equal to 1 kilowatt. And that's it for our theoretical power. And next, we solve now for the actual power. In solving actual power, we always consider the value of the power coefficient. So since our problem has specified the type of microturbine, which is a 3-blade rotor, we use its power coefficient of 0.49. So giving us still we have to use the density of air and the area of a circle. So our formula now is power is equal to 1/2 times the density of air times the area times the cube of the speed times the power coefficient. So we just use direct substitution again. So wind power now is equal to 1/2 times 1.225 kilogram by cubic meter, which is the density of air, times the area of a circle, which is pi times the square of the radius of 3 meters, times the cube of the velocity or the speed, which is 10 meters per second. and our power coefficient of 0.49. So we just simplify and solve, giving us 1/2 times 1.225 kilogram by cubic meter times 28.27 square meter times 1000 cubic meter per cubic second and 0.49. So giving us an answer of 8,484.5334 kilogram by square meter per cubic second. Again, we just simplify our unit and giving us Newton by meter per second, or which is equal to watts. Now our final answer is 8,484.5334 watts, or just convert it with kilowatts, giving us 8.48 kilowatts. So that's it for our actual power. And if you find this video very helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more videos.